every day in the phase 2 of God's plan for your life. What is the first phase? Salvation. When you accepted Christ as Lord and Savior, that is the first phase. The second phase is when you become a believer in the church age. That's the second phase. Christmas is every day in your life as a believer. Because since the day you accepted Christ as Savior, you have been a recipient of these better things. And if you did not open a package for years, and you did not receive a gift, you actually have right now everything. Tanan. First, when you accepted Christ as Savior, you were born again, right? New creation. You were transferred from time to eternity.